Hey guys, Chris here with Voodoo Sidecar. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a variation off of an Americano. It's a great cocktail for all you stay-at-home dads, easy to make, fun to drink. Ramazzotti Amaro, we're going to be throwing in 2 ounces. Coqui Trino, sweet vermouth, and a ½ ounce of that. Ice, always ice before carbonation so you don't overflow. 3 to 1 parts rosé sparkling wine to carbonated water. Add the sparkling water and then add 1 lemon wheel. Mix it around so the Amaro and the sweet vermouth don't sit at the bottom and you get a hint of citrus. And then for a nice pretty garnish, make sure you get another wheel here along with a sprig of mint for the nose while you're drinking it. Cheers.